How to set sale prices for products with variants on Shopify. To do this, we have to go to our products first, and it's located here on the left hand side. You just click on products, and I've created this short sleeve t-shirt here for as an example. Now I go in and edit the product itself, and down here I created 3 variants of this product in different sizes, for example small, medium and large. And here you can see you can add different images for each one of them, and you can set a different price for each variant. And the way we edit the price is you have to select this box here on the left of the product, and now you go to these 3 dots on the right and you can edit price. And let me just type in something like $10 for this one. And now the medium is gonna be a little more expensive, so we just go and select it, and now we edit the price of this one. I'm just gonna type in $12 for example, and the large one can be the most expensive one. Just gonna go again to edit price, and I'll type in $15. And once you're done with the different prices, you just click on save here on the top right, and that saves the changes to your product. And that's how you set the sale prices for products with variants on Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.